So remember that probability equals the desired outcomes over the total number of outcomes. Now the rules change, so we have to figure out the probability both ways. So if there are 10 numbers, that means there are 5 odd and 5 even. And your chance of getting an odd number is 5 out of 10. 5 odd numbers are desired out of 10 numbers total. So your probability of getting an odd number in the old rules of this kind of disappointing game, can't imagine really wanting to play this, but in this game, your chances of getting that odd number are 1 in 2. You have a 50% chance. The chance you win if you get the product of your 3 numbers being odd. The only way the product of your 3 numbers can be odd is if you never draw an even number. Because remember, an even number times anything is even. So you need 3 odd numbers in a row to win this thrilling game. So your chances of getting 3 odd numbers in a row are 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2. Because you can use the same number again, your odds never change. You could draw the exact same odd number 3 times in a row. So your chance of winning this game under the old rules equals 1/8. Under the new rules, though, you can't use the same number twice. So even though you still have a 50% chance of getting that odd number the first time, the second time around there's only 4 odd numbers that you can still draw out of 9 possible numbers still left in the bin. For your third draw, to get that third odd number in a row, you can't draw either of the 2 that you got before, so there are only 3 odd numbers left that you can draw from the, what are these, in a bag or something? Well, it doesn't really say what they're in. Anyway, there are only 3 odd numbers left out of 8 total, because the 2 odd numbers that you've already drawn are out of the running. So this fraction, of course, we can do a little simplifying here. 1, 2, 3, 1. So 2 times 3 times 2 equals 1/12. And of course the question is asking, how much does this reduce your probability of winning? That will be the difference between the probability fraction under the old rules minus the probability fraction under the new rules. They don't have a common denominator, so we need to restate this fraction in, looks like 20/4 are going to be the winning number. So this is 3 20/4 minus 2 20/4, which equals 1/24. If you do the math on this one, it ends up being 0.04. Answer choice A. And you do have to do the math on it, otherwise you probably can't get it right. So answer choice A.